Welcome back, Gossipfunda viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of advanced data analysis with a twist using the power of AI of ChatGPT to blow your mind. So grab a cup of coffee, fire up your notebooks, and get ready to unleash the power of. It's time to analyze your image. We're here to show you how. Ha ha ha, see how the chat has detected the image smartly. It's a time to do some very tough job. Let's give ChatGPT a video.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I am waiting for this update. Now I am going to provide the trending errors. Let's see what it will do. Fantastic, let's do some tough job. Downloading CBC guideline and providing chat to understand it. Wayo, see the result. Hope you like the power of GPT. Please do subscribe to Gossipfunda if you have watched till end. And comment which part was the best. Mine was the image analysis.